Caring for a senior dog requires a bit of extra attention to ensure they stay comfortable and healthy. Here are 10 short tips. Regular vet checkups. Schedule frequent visits to monitor their health. Balanced diet. Provide a diet tailored to senior dogs with appropriate nutrients. Soft bedding. Ensure they have a comfortable place to rest, with orthopedic bedding if needed. Gentle exercise. Maintain light, regular exercise to keep them active without overexertion. Joint supplements. Consider supplements for joint health, like glucosamine and chondroitin. Regular grooming. Keep their coat clean and nails trimmed to avoid discomfort. Monitor weight. Keep an eye on their weight to avoid obesity, which can strain joints. Dental care. Brush their teeth regularly or provide dental chews to maintain oral health. Mental stimulation. Offer toys and puzzles to keep their mind active. Love and attention. Spend quality time with them to ensure they feel loved and secure.